Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2001 Ford F350 with the 7.3 diesel, the same as any Super Duty platform with the 7.3. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is start our vehicle. Then we're going to turn our AC on max, turn our air to the coldest setting, and turn our blower all the way on high. Then pop your hood. Alright, our low pressure port is right here, so take this cap off. And we're going to hook up our charging hose right here. Just push it down, it snaps on. This takes R134A refrigerant. Now this is a classic sign that we need to refill our AC refrigerant. So every time the clutch snaps on the compressor, it draws down. When it gets too low, the compressor shuts off. So we want to fill it until it's solidly right up there in the green, at the top of the green, and the needle does not move. So we're going to squeeze our trigger, oscillate the can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. We're just going to let the compressor keep drawing that refrigerant in. You're going to do this as long as it takes to make that needle just stay steady and stop bobbing up and down. You want it to stay steady right in the green. You want to stay right around 40, 45 is pretty good. When you squeeze the trigger, your needle is going to go to 0. In order to take a reading, you're going to let off from the trigger, and then you can see the needle. Okay, this can is empty, so we're going to stick another can on. If your system is really low like mine, then you might need to put in more than one can. We've just hit our minimum requirement. You can see that the needle stopped bobbing up and down now. The compressor is staying on all the time. So this will get you cool air. If you want the coldest you can get, you're going to want to fill it up to like 40, 45, right here at the top of the green. So we're going to keep filling it up. Remember, squeeze your trigger, oscillate your can between 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So this gets you the idea. You know how to do it. When you're done, lift up on this clip right here, pull this off, put your cap back on, and you'll be good to go. I will have Amazon affiliate links in the description below where you can get a recharge hose, cans of refrigerant. This is R134A. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.